Alright, what's up guys? If you guys have any exhaust leaks, if you can see here, I have a pretty bad gap over there. If you have any exhaust leaks any at the bottom, at the muffler, or at the headers, you guys want to get yourself one of these. These things are really good. I just used this muffler seal, JB Weld muffler seal, and you just put it, it's like basically Bondo, just apply it to all the leaks and it seals it after a couple minutes, and you can start your car and then use the stuff. So I used some over there. I have a little bit down there, somewhere in there, my exhaust. All right.